Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to combine rows in Excel. Let's begin. This formula and other version formula. Press Ctrl C, then combine, press enter, and change to this column. Example, use column B. Simply double click and change B2, B3, B4, B5. Press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.